So I actually got a package yesterday and I got a t-shirt. I'm sorry about the background noise, it's raining a lot. This is what the t-shirt looks like. I think it's pretty good. And now we're gonna go make breakfast. I was originally planning on making waffles or sandwich, but there was a power cut, so just I cannot speak today. So there was a power cut and then the light went off, therefore I'll be making something else, but I have a huge pimple over here and it's not good. I'm such an idiot. I did not turn off my video and join the class. Thankfully, I would just put my finger in front of the camera. Oh, this is embarrassing. Buddy. Hi, buddy. Buddy. So I had a quiz again, the economics quiz yesterday. Now I know a lot of you guys were like, oh, you just scored 3, why, like, I think you should take a break from YouTube and study. Guys, I was fine. It was just a quiz, but yesterday the quiz was there again, like a different quiz. It was of 25 marks and I scored quite well in that quiz because it was like, it had a negative mark and I could have scored more if it wasn't for that. So do not worry that much. I am fine and I think I study fine, so maybe one day you'll see me in Harvard. Who knows? Talk to you a little bit because I guess I haven't done that in a while. So students are facing a lot of issues and problems, not just physically and mentally but also like financially. So I wanted to introduce you to Hustle Post Academy, which is basically a one-stop destination for people and students who want to learn how to make a side hustle. So basically we are college students and we have our own expenses, and a lot of the time like asking parents for money is not an option. So what you can do is create your own side hustle. Hustle Post Academy is created by none other than the amazing YouTuber Saloni Srivastav, whom I have been following for years now. She's super amazing, by the way. Hustle Post Academy will help you build a profitable online business which will allow you to engage in activities other than your academics, which also looks super good on your college resume. So basically it is like a mini MBA which will allow you to learn how to build a business. Basically it will teach you all of the steps from scratch, and it's super useful and helpful if you want to make a side hustle like myself. So I'll leave the link for the website in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out and join the academy. It is super good. I highly recommend you. Thank you so much to Hustle Post Academy for sponsoring this video, and let's move ahead with the video. So I have my class going on, but I was hungry, so I'm going to eat something. Yes, I eat unhealthy food too sometimes, and I love chips, so let's eat some crisps. Crisps. I cannot say crisp. Okay, crisps. Okay, let's eat some potato chips. Potato chips. Potato calls it potato. It's like potato, I guess, or tomato, potato, tomato. So here's my to-do list for today. I have to do all these tasks, and I'll add and strike off the tasks as I do them, or if I forget something I'll just simply add it. By the way, I use Identity. Okay guys, let's make a hairstyle. I never do these things, but I guess today is the day. This is what my hair looks like. Pretty decent, I think. I had to use 2 different colors, but now I will be doing like my council work because I have a break between the classes. The deadline is today, and yes, I did take the last day to complete the assignment, but I guess it's fine. I'll just do it and email it to them right away. I wanted. So guys, this is the stationery package that I got. This is from Stationery Pal. I'll do a video on it soon, and you'll also get like a giveaway. So guys, this is what the package from Stationery Pal looks like. I cannot wait to share the haul with you guys, and their packaging is so cute. Like included like little flowers and stuff. So it's like really cute. Cannot wait to share the haul, and a giveaway is coming soon, so stay tuned. So guys, it's 4 PM and we're going to click a photo because it's Pride month. So yeah, let's click the photo, I guess. So guys, I just posted a photo on Instagram. Go follow me. It's at Samriddhi Avasthi, and this is the post. So go and like that post. Also, like today was super productive. I did all of the things on my checklist except for me attending the meeting at 6:30, which will eventually I'll do. But yeah, today was super productive. I like woke up at 6 AM. I sleep at 6 AM, but I woke up at 6 AM. It's just like. Also, guys, don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's at Samriddhi Avasthi, and I post reels on there. So I guess it's fun. It's fun to make reels. The sun is so beautiful. The camera isn't doing justice. So guys, my sister is currently studying, and I am also teaching her maths. Yes, I am the one teaching her maths.
No, she is not.
Yes, I am teaching.
She is not.
So guys, as you saw, it's currently 10:15 and I don't know, my eyes are like getting red because I woke up at 6. So I guess it's time to head off now. That is all for this video. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. Also don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Shout out of the week is right here, by the way. So thanks for watching. Bye.